Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards. Describe a time when missed or were late for an important meeting/event. You should say, when it happened, what happened, why you missed/were late for it, and explain how you felt about this experience. My college admission interview, which was set for shortly after I finished my high school exams, stands out as one instance where I was late for a significant occasion. I was applying for a bachelor's degree at a reputable university in a nearby city about 3 years ago. The night before, I had meticulously prepared everything for the 9:30 a.m. interview. I organized all of my documents in a file and set several alarms. However, I ran into a number of unforeseen issues on the day of the interview. First of all, the alarm didn't go off and my phone's battery died in the middle of the night, so I woke up late. I hurried to get ready out of worry, but I was already 20 minutes late when I left the house. To make matters worse, my cab was stalled for more than half an hour on the highway because of heavy traffic caused by an accident. I attempted to notify the university via phone, but I was unable to connect because of signal problems. It was around 10:15 in the morning when I arrived at the location. Even though I had missed my time slot and had to wait for the next one, the staff was gracious enough to let me attend the interview. I was incredibly nervous, ashamed, and irritated. Being late made me feel unprepared and unprofessional, especially for something as significant as this. I had always been on time. Because of how the morning had begun, I felt a little anxious even during the interview. But I was able to maintain my composure and confidently respond to the inquiries. I did ultimately get chosen, but I learned a lot about preparedness and contingency plans from the experience. In order to prevent last-minute problems, I now make sure to completely charge my phone before leaving for any critical events, set numerous alarms, and leave early. In conclusion, even though this event was difficult, it taught me how to manage pressure in unforeseen circumstances and made me more responsible. And that's it for today's session. I hope you found this video helpful and that you're feeling more confident. Remember, practice and the right guidance are the keys to success, and if you want personalized coaching to boost your scores, you're welcome to join my classes. I offer both online and offline OET, IELTS, CD IELTS, CELPIP, PTE, TOEFL training sessions, where you'll get complete support for writing, speaking, reading, and listening modules, along with detailed feedback and tips. Whether you are starting from scratch or aiming for a higher grade, I can help you reach your goal faster. To know more or to book your seat, just check the link in the description or send me a message on the given contacts. I would love to help you succeed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful learning material. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon, either in the next video or in my class.